and welcome to Anne and Alfie. And today, with it being such a glorious day and the birds are out, I thought what better to do than make a bird box. So we've sectioned off the part of the napkin that we're wanting to use, and the easiest way I find is with this is I tend to just rip the napkin. I just take off the section that I want. And then now you can position this wherever you like, but I found I liked it there. I'm just wrapping round. Right, for the next part I only use, you can use any glue really. I tend to use decoupage glue because it dries clear and it's also very easy to use. So with a paintbrush, just paint it on, because like I say, it will come clear. Right to the bottom, and of course that part's going right to the top. So don't be afraid to put quite a lot on, because it does actually need to stick, and remember round the corner. Just come round in front and try and position him. Just gently press down all the way up to the top. If you've not stuck it down enough, don't worry, just pop a bit of glue on top. I would like it to have the Peter Rabbit emblem on it, so it won't take a second. And there you have your Peter Rabbit birdhouse.